Hello everyone. Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of Power BI Desktop, Microsoft's dynamic business analytical tool that empowers the users to transform the raw data into actionable insights. In this in-depth video, we will unravel the multifaceted features and capabilities of Power BI Desktop, equipping you with the knowledge to unleash the full potential of your data analytics endeavors. Let's embark on this enlightening journey into the world of business intelligence. Power BI Desktop stands as a beacon of innovation in the realm of business analytics, offering a robust and user-friendly platform for creating the interactive reports, dashboards, and visualizations. Developed by Microsoft, Power BI Desktop serves as a linchpin of the broader Power BI ecosystem, seamlessly integrating with Power BI Service and Power BI mobile apps to provide end-to-end business intelligence solutions. Let's explore some of the key features of Power BI. The first one is the data connectivity. Power BI Desktop boasts extensive data connectivity capabilities supporting a wide range of data connectors. Users can effortlessly connect to various data sources, including databases, Excel files, cloud services, and web sources, ensuring comprehensive access to relative databases. The second one is the data transformation and modeling. Leveraging the power of Power Query and Power Pivot functionalities, Power BI Desktop enables efficient data transformation, cleansing, and modeling. Users can shape and structure their data to prepare it for analysis, laying the foundation of insightful discoveries. The third key feature is the visualization capabilities. With its vast library of built-in and custom visualizations, Power BI Desktop empowers the users to create compelling and informative reports, from charts and tables to maps and custom visualizations. The possibility for visual storytelling are endless, allowing the users to convey insights with clarity and precision. The next key feature is report authoring. Power BI Desktop provides the users with a drag and drop interface for creating interactive reports. With intuitive tools for arranging and formatting the visual elements, users can effectively convey the insights, ensuring maximum impact and understanding. The next key feature is the data relationship. Establishing the coherent and interconnected data models is effortlessly with Power BI Desktop. Users can establish the relationship between different data tables, ensuring a cohesive analytical environment that fosters the deeper insights and understanding. The next key feature is DAX or data analysis expression. Power BI Desktop leverages the power of DAX, a robust formula language for creating calculated columns, measures, and custom calculations. This enhances the analytical depth of report and dashboards, enabling the users to derive the meaningful insights and make informed decisions. The next key feature is Query Editor. The query editor within the Power BI Desktop provides user a graphical interface for data transformation tasks. From shaping and cleaning the data to performing advanced transformations, users can fine-tune their dataset before loading them directly into the data models, ensuring data integrity and consistency. The next key feature is report interactivity. Power BI Desktop supports a myriad of interactive features, including drill down, slicers, and filters. These features empower the users to explore data dynamically, gaining the deeper insights and understanding of their data sets. The next key feature is the Power BI templates. Users can streamline the reports creation process by creating and sharing the report templates. This enables the replication of reports with consistency, layouts, and designs, enhancing the productivity and efficiency. Now, let's talk a bit about the Power BI workflow. The first part is Connect, which includes importing the data from diverse sources using the built-in connectors or custom data connections, ensuring comprehensive access to relevant data sets. The second part is Transform, which includes utilizing the Power Query to clean, shape, and transform the data according to the specific analysis requirement, ensuring data integrity and consistency. The third part is Model, which includes creating of relationship between the tables and defining of the calculations using DAX within the Power Pivot, establishing a robust data model foundation for analysis. The next part is Visualize, which includes building of interactive reports and dashboards with a variety of visualizations, effectively communicating insights and trends to stakeholders. The next part is Share, which includes publishing the reports to Power BI service for seamless collaboration and sharing within the organization, ensuring that the insights are accessible to all the relevant stakeholders. So, in conclusion, we have talked about the power and potential of Power BI Desktop. Microsoft's premier business analytical tool. Armed with deep understanding of its features and capabilities, you are now equipped to embark on your own data analytics journey, transforming your raw data into actionable insights. Stay tuned for the more advanced tutorials. In the next session, we'll be talking about the key features of Power BI Workflow. Thank you.